What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is 2 8s and 1 6. Right now we are on our way to pick up the other 8, and we're actually going to install an Axel back today. We're going to meet up with him. He's right off this exit right here, and then we're just going to go and install this at the shop. Alright, we're pulling in right now. Let's see if we can spot this guy. Where is he? Oh, I see him. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right, let's go. We got the whole squad out today. Let's go. Joseph, this is Jalen. Jalen, this is Joseph.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, ready?
Yep. All right, so what are we doing?
All right, well, throwing in Axel back, doing a muffler delete, getting rid of these bad boys.
All right.
Can't wait to get rid of this resonator.
Oh yeah.
Throw an X pipe in. Oh, it's gonna sound so
Those
good.
2 cats. You got 2 cats.
Oh,
too.
those things are huge too. Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, we can get rid of those. I think that's good. It's right at the 90. Okay. That came right out.
All right.
Cool.
All right, so muffler delete, and then going from this to this.
Probably have glasses on, but whatever. Oh, that one went on way better.
Shoo, she party. How do you liking it?
Love it. I can't wait to hear it.
So we remove the 2 mufflers, and then we just basically straight pipe the axle back.
Yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna sound so good.
Let's go.
Alright. Ready?
Wait 1 second. All right, go.
Dude, this thing is insane.
Oh my God.
Dude, this is awesome. Oh,
Dude, it
that
really
sounds
does.
so good.
Oh my God, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, I wish I had a V8.
Dude.
Oh my God.
Camaro. Yeah.
Z01?
Yeah. There we go.
How do you feel?
Dude. Good.
Good.
I can't wait to just rip this thing out.
Oh
it
my
sounds so
God.
good. Thanks for watching the video today. Really.
Oh man. All right, guys. So this is like the first time that we've ever all been together. You guys want to say anything?
Subscribe and watch for more.
Oh God, you guys. Okay, yeah, so I guess I'll be the one that ends all this stuff. But thank you guys for watching. We did do the Axel back install on his 2021 Mustang 5.0. Washed the cars a little bit, and then, I mean, we're gonna have to detail this one. But he just ran out of time today.
This is the first time she's been clean in 2 months since I've gotten the car.
Since he's gotten her. But yeah, that's it. If you guys liked the video, just make sure you subscribe, like. I'll put the socials down below, and you guys can follow us, and hopefully more content coming soon with all 3 of these beauties. All right, this is 2 8s and a 6, and we're signing out.
2 8 1 6.
You're right. All right, guys. So yeah, this is 2 8s, 1 6.
2 8 1 6.
And we're signing out.
Peace.
Peace.